Hey guys, how to download Counter-Strike on PC? Want to play Counter-Strike on your PC? I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to download it, no confusion. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe now, and then there's a Steam link in the description. Open it on the Steam website. I found it. Open it for you in the description. After opening Steam, click Install Steam at the top and click Install Steam again. Steam will start downloading. After Steam download is complete, open the download folder on your laptop and install this Steam from here, but my laptop is already installed. Then open Steam and create an account, and then search for Counter-Strike. Then click on Counter-Strike and scroll down a little and click on Add to Library at the bottom and click OK. From here, your game will be added to the library. Then go to the library page, click on Library at the top and find the Counter-Strike game here. Click on it. And click on Install and click on Install again. That's it. Counter-Strike is ready on your PC. Like and subscribe for more quick gaming tutorials.